Krishna. I am Bhavani from Rishi's Aapki Rasoi. Now today my menu is Methi Masala Khakra. And khakra is nothing but a tea time snack. It is also made out of wheat and besan with all spices which I will be showing you while adding it and make into a dough, and then the making of khakra is only the process which is very important in this, and that I will show you, because after we make the khakras that becomes very crispy and it is a tea time snack, and you can store it for many number of days provided you follow the recipe which I am showing it to you. So I will just show you the measurement. Now I have taken 3 measurement of this, 3.5 measurement of this, and now another 3/4 measurement of besan, 3 measurement of atta, that is wheat flour, and now this is besan. Besan in the sense it is Bengal gram flour. So this I have taken only 3/4. And now to this I will be adding all masalas. Now as the word says, methi means it is fenugreek. Fenugreek, the fresh fenugreek we cannot add because it won't stay for long. So now this I have taken this much in this. This I have to break it like this with the hand. For this atta, this is the measurement. You have to break it like this. Now the next which I am going to add is the ajwain. Ajwain is nothing but omam in Tamil, and in English it is carom seeds. This also I will be adding 1.5 teaspoon. This also we must always press it like this, make into semi-coarse powder, and then we should add. Then only the flavor stays, Then after this I will be adding jeera, cumin seeds. This little, just 1 teaspoon. Then I will be adding this masala powder, which I have always told you that for the North Indian dishes I have prepared separately for this, and this I will be putting in my recipe box. This I have to add 2 teaspoons to make it crispy and spicy. Then I will be adding salt to taste. And chili powder. Chili powder also slightly higher because this has to stay for 4-5 days. So I have added enough. Last but not the least is the pepper powder. I will be adding 1 spoon of pepper powder. Then the only ingredient which I have to add now is hing and garam masala. Hing just you have to spray like this much. Garam masala again, 1/2 teaspoon. This is just to add flavor. Now this I will be mixing it first, and then I will be adding little oil into this. Little oil into this. I will show you how much oil you should add and how you should test it also. I will show you. I have taken nearly 1 tablespoon of oil for this atta, and if you mix it, then you should see how it stays. You must be able to fold like this. So this is the measurement for the oil which you have to add to this khakra. Now like ordinary wheat dough, I will be adding little water little by little and making it into a soft dough. And this has to rest for 10-15 minutes. And then I will show you how I make the khakras. This is the dough I have made for making khakra. See, it is so spicy and yummy, you know? But you have to add besan a bit because this will help you to stretch the rotis very easily. And now what I have done, everybody won't be able to do the correct akar, it is a correct circle. So I have done a big chapati and then I have cut it with this katori to make it uniform. Now how to make khakra, that is the main thing, which first you have to heat the tawa very nicely and then put on the khakras. And I have taken minimum flour for rolling the khakras, because if you add more, if you use more flour, you know, this tawa will take all the flour and it will get burnt. Now this has to get cooked. We have to keep on rolling like this. This is the process of khakra. See how it just slides in the tawa, you know. You have to keep on rolling like this. Then put it on the other side. And then roll it. Only this will take time in the making of khakras because it has to come out crisp, very crispy. We should not allow it to become fluffy. That is the main thing, because any roti if you make, you know, it becomes fluffy on the tawa. So that we should avoid while making khakras. So you have to press a lot to make it crispier. Now this is methi kakra. This is how I have plated it today. You know, I explained to you the process, the ingredients and the measurements, everything I explained to you. Now if you follow the recipe as per my instructions, the kakra will come out very well. Now this is an excellent tea time snack and very healthy and nutritious because we are adding kasuri methi and ajwain. Ajwain is nothing but the carom seeds, or omum in Tamil we say. Kasuri methi is the dried leaves of mendekire or methi leaves. So and then we add all the masalas which are not harmful to health, whatever we are adding, which I showed you. And this comes out, I have showed you the process also. You have to keep on doing the roasting part of the roti in the tawa patiently. And so once it reaches this, when it so thick and dry, you know, at that time you can remove it. Now this is normally eaten as it is with the chai, or this is, you can dip in the tomato ketchup and then eat it. Now I'll show you how crisp it is. See? This you can store it in the box for more than 10-15 days. Nothing will happen. This is like any other snack which we deep fry it. So this is what I have posted today. So my viewers, if you like it, please try this recipe and come back to me. And you please like, comment and share. And if you like it again, you subscribe. Thank you very much. Jai Sai Ram.